My name is Robert Haley. This is my great-grandfather's pocket watch that he carried in the Civil War. I did a little research on it and found out it was made, started in 1860. He probably bought it in 1861. And in 1862 he joined the Union Army, 78th New York Infantry Regiment. Had no idea what it was worth. The gentleman, I looked at it, he said, normally it would be worth about $400, but because on the cover it's got the regimental insignia engraved on it, it made it be up between $800 to $1,000. And my great-grandfather said it was 78th New York Infantry Regiment, fought at Antietam, survived the war. And he gave it to his daughter, my grandmother, and then she gave it to her son, my father, and I got it from him. So it's been in the family for about 150 years now.